So what we're beginning to see are lots of companies now, as a consequence of what's happening in AI, to come back and ask quite fundamental questions about the human code.
And the fact that we're moving away from that physical space of the store, and instead it will become really important to use packaging as a tool for communicating and for creating an experience.
It will still be about the brands that can actually speak to us and engage with us and actually help to make things more meaningful.